Hello Goa. We at Krishniah Chetty Group of Jewelers, we are doing our grand jewelry exhibition in Hotel Fidalgo from today 21st of December up to 24th of December for 4 days. We have got very nice collection for specially made for this festive season for Christmas, and we are also launching our newly made Crash Club lab grown diamonds by CKC. We have a fine range of collections in that as well. And we have here our traditional collection of jewelry, bridal collection, as well as contemporary style jewelry. Contemporary style jewelry are more in diamonds, and in gold also we have good options. Traditional jewelries are more with necklaces, bangles, which are set with uncut diamonds and gemstones like rubies, emeralds. This kind of jewelry people of Goa have liked a lot earlier, and the earlier exhibitions also the response was very good. Hopefully this time also people of Goa will like our collection, and we are also giving a very good promotion. That is, we are giving 2% discount on silver jewelry, 4% discount on gold jewelry, and 6% discount on diamond jewelry. And we are also giving 9% discount on diamond jewelry, which are 18.69 lakh and above. So we request all people of Goa to please come, see our exhibition, and enjoy the wonderful promotion which we are offering. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.